Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to customize right click menu on desktop in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type our registry editor, open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all select the HKey Classic Roots and expand it. After that, scroll down and find out a directory. Now here is a select a directory and expand it. After doing this, select a background and expand it. After that, select a shell and expand it. After that, right click, click on a new and type a key. Set a key name is Notepad. Now right click, click on new and set a key. Now set a key name is command. Select it. After doing this set, file application tab, go to your file explorer, C drive, Windows, System 32, and right click, go to your properties and copy the location and close it. Now select a default and open it and paste the value and type our notepad.exe. Click OK. Close the registry editor. Now here is. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.